In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Ticketmaster password. First of all, head over to the Ticketmaster website and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, click on My Account on the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile. After that, a few options will appear on the screen. Click on the first option, which is Profile Details. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the Update Passwords section. Here you will see the field where you can type in your new password. First, enter your new password in the provided box. Make sure that your password meets Ticketmaster's security requirements, which typically include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your new password, click on Update Password. Ticketmaster will then send a one-time code, OTP, to the phone number linked to your account. Open the message on your phone and type the code into the field on the Ticketmaster website. Once you've entered the code, click Confirm. After that, your Ticketmaster password will be successfully updated. For security reasons, you will be logged out of your Ticketmaster account after updating the password. Now, log back into your account using your email address and the new password you just created. This ensures that the new password is active and working properly, and that's how you can change your Ticketmaster password.